Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can take the 80-pound sandbag and load it up for the sandbag carry on the PARE test. This is a version you can use if you are unable to just lift up the bag and muscle it up. So here we're in a half kneeling stance. We're going to start off with loading the bag onto the knee. Then we're going to get both hands underneath and then we're going to stand up strong from that position. Okay. All right, Lee, ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. So we're going to load the bag up. Yep, we'll get it on top of the knee. There you go. Good work. We're going to get both hands underneath that bag. Good. We're going to squeeze our core here. We're going to stand up strong. Yep, and lift it up chest height. All right. We're going to walk it down. This is just for demonstration purposes, so we don't need to go for the full length of time. Let's come back here and let's demonstrate how to drop it gently. All right. So I'm going to walk it back here and we're going to rest it down gently. Beautiful. That was gentle enough. Good work. So, yes, ensure to bend your knees. Also, if this video was helpful or you have a law enforcement fitness test to prepare for, definitely subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications. Feel free to leave a comment down below for whatever you want to see pertaining to your law enforcement fitness test, and we will try our best to get it done for you. We got you. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.